This is called the TickTime. So let's go ahead and dig right in here. It is sealed. What could it be? I want to say I bought this one for myself. I saw it at a friend's house, showed me how to work, and I was like, man, I gotta check that out and see how that works for myself. As you guys probably can imagine, I work from home. I'm sitting on my desk a lot. And a product like this is definitely going to come handy here. So we got different numbers here on the side of the box. We got a 5, we got a 60, we got a 30, we got a 10. I could be giving you a hint, maybe not so much, I don't know. But let's go ahead and dig right in, guys. Today we're going to be checking out the TickTime. This is the TK3, and it is basically a desk timer. So we'll show you how it works, set it up, kind of use or showcase my use case and things like that, how I'm going to use it going forward. But this is, I want to say, the charging station. This is pretty nice. We got sort of like a solid white platform here with some keys in the front. That's pretty interesting. We got 2 charging pins right there in the back, and there's your USB port, right, where your charging cable is going to go to. Got some rubber feet so it doesn't go moving around, which is good. We got a USB charging cable. That is nice. We got a USB-A to USB-C with the matching white. This one seems to have a pretty lengthy reach. Probably a good meter or so from hand to hand, whole arm span, wingspan, if you would. That's how long this cable is, which is good. Here is the timer itself. So we'll go ahead and remove some seals, and I'll show you guys how it works. We'll keep the user manual here in Mandarin, which is my native tongue, in case we need to review any features and things like that. This right here, guys, is going to be a desk timer. So I'm going to have the ability to do a 5-minute timer, 10-minute timer, 30-minute timer, or a 60-minute timer. Especially when working from home, I'm working on my desk. I want the ability to be able to easily set different timers, right? I can do some time sitting, some time standing, or obviously set up timers for any other purpose. So by default, when you set it down, right, whatever the number is at the top is what the timer is going to be on the screen. Check that out. It's already doing a timer for 30 minutes, already at 29 minutes and 46 seconds. So if I turn around to 60, right, what it's going to do is it's going to start a timer for 60 minutes, already at 59 minutes and 55 seconds, which is pretty cool. Gives you a reading here on your battery. We have some icons here in the front, and these icons are reflective of the different settings in the back. So here we can tweak the timer. Here we can tweak how loud it's going to be, right? If we want it to vibrate, if we want it loud, or just vibrate. So we got multiple different settings, and we can see them all happening here real time in the front. The little speaker icon, check that out. That's vibrate, that's low, medium, high. That's silent, and then you do vibrate, and then low, medium, high again. I want to show you guys a quick example here on this 5-minute timer, right? It's been running here for quite a bit here, so it's already down to 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes or less. One thing I also noticed is if I pick it up like this, so you guys can, see it on the camera, it will pause the timer, right? So the seconds have stopped. The moment I switch it down here, it starts going down again, as you can see. But there's also this wheel going around, so it starts full, but little by little, it goes from different colors up down to like orange and red. That's gonna give you a good read that obviously, time is running out or whatever. Just kind of a nice little visual aid, if anything. Now we do have the ability to set up alarms. I think that's pretty straightforward as far as how that goes. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that piece. Again, another awesome feature to have, nice to have and not need, then need and not have. And then as far as the charging experience here, pretty straightforward, right? Say that the USB was already plugged in, or you guys get the idea. I mean, this is how many USB-C devices we have at home these days. Say that it's already plugged in, whatever the design station where you want this thing to be stationary permanently. And you're gonna line up the pins here as such, and voila, right? Now it is charging. You could take it out of the dock and just set it down somewhere, and it'll have a decent battery life. It'll run quite a long time without the charging dock. But I like the idea that it doesn't have a removable, one of the traditional batteries. It actually has a built-in battery that you can just recharge over time. You also have a little dial or wheel here that you can use for the settings in the back. And you can set up the timer and things like that. This one's not going to be necessarily a tutorial. This is more just like a quick rapid fire overview as a bonus item on this unboxing, if you would. And this is going right on my desk because I'm going to start using it right away, so I can give myself different reminders, maybe like 30 minutes sitting, 30 minutes standing, right? Maybe I want to set up like an hour of focus time where I'm video editing or what have you. I don't want to be interrupted. I want to get some work done, which is cool.